Have you ever dreamed of running a business in your small town that's not just profitable but downright game-changing? Imagine being the go-to place in your community while raking in massive profits from ideas no one else has thought of yet. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today, we're making it a reality. Stick around because we're about to dive into 10 unique and rare convenience retail business ideas that will leave your neighbors in awe and your pockets full. Let's get started. 1. Local flavor snack shop. Imagine a snack store offering locally inspired flavors: BBQ pecan popcorn, moonshine gummy bears, or sweet potato chips. These niche products can only be found in your store, tapping into the pride and curiosity of your small-town community. Startup cost $5,000 to $10,000. Profit potential $50,000 annually, with a 50% profit margin if snacks are priced at $5 to $8 each. Why it works. People love supporting local, and adding a unique twist to their snacking habits ensures repeat customers. 2. DriveThrough Essentials Hub. Convenience at its best. A drive-through store offering daily essentials like milk, bread, and snacks along with hard-to-find items like fresh local eggs or homemade jams could be a game-changer. Startup cost $20,000 to $50,000 depending on structure and inventory. Profit potential $75,000 to $100,000 annually. Why it works. Busy families appreciate quick solutions, and with proper pricing, you'll create a dependable customer base. 3. Zero waste convenience store. Launch a store where customers can refill household goods like laundry detergent, coffee, and even cooking oil. Add locally made reusable bags and sustainable products to the mix. Startup cost $15,000 to $30,000. Profit potential $60,000 to $80,000 annually, with high margins on eco-friendly products. Why it works. Sustainability is trending, and small-town customers want convenient ways to go green without sacrificing quality. Nostalgia, candy shop, and soda bar. Create a retro-inspired store with vintage candies, homemade sodas, and old-school milkshakes. Think soda floats served in glass jars topped with cotton candy. Startup cost $10,000 to $15,000. Profit potential $60,000 to $75,000 annually. Why it works. Nostalgia sells, and unique experiences are shareable on social media, pulling in tourists and locals alike. DIY crafting convenience nook. Stock your store with small, pre-packed DIY craft kits. Everything from make your own candles to build your own birdhouses. Add craft supplies for families looking for weekend projects. Startup cost $5,000 to $7,000. Profit potential $40,000 annually, with high profit margins on kits priced at $10 to $20. Why it works. Small towns value creativity, and these kits are perfect for family bonding and gifting. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. 6. Farm-to-bag convenience shop. Partner with local farmers to create a farm-to-bag concept, fresh produce, pre-packed veggie bundles, and ready-to-cook meals made from local ingredients. Startup cost ranges from $15,000 to $25,000. The profit potential? Around $70,000 annually. Why it works. This builds on the farm-to-table trend and offers fresh, healthy options in a convenient format. 7. Pet treats and miniart. A one-stop shop for pet owners with unique pet treats, organic food, and a small play area for their furry friends. Include items like gourmet dog biscuits or catnip-infused toys. Startup cost is between $10,000 and $20,000. Profit potential is $50,000 to $60,000 annually. Why it works. Pet owners spend generously on their companions, and having a specialized store in a small town gives you an edge. 8. Seasonal pop-up retail. Transform your store based on the season holiday-themed gifts in winter, beach supplies in summer, and everything pumpkin spice in the fall. Startup cost is $5,000 to $8,000. Profit potential ranges from $45,000 to $60,000 annually. Why it works. Seasonality creates urgency, driving consistent traffic throughout the year. 9. Hybrid coffee convenience bar. Pair a quick-service coffee bar with grab-and-go items like energy drinks, sandwiches, and gourmet snacks. Add options for customizable drinks to draw in younger crowds. Startup cost $10,000 to $15,000. Profit potential $65,000 annually. Why it works. Small-town coffee lovers will appreciate the variety and quality, especially if paired with their convenience needs. 10. Mini Digital Nomad Lounge. Turn an underutilized corner into a Wi-Fi-equipped lounge offering coffee, snacks, and a charging station. Charge a small fee for workspace access and sell productivity-enhancing products like planners or noise-canceling earbuds. Startup cost $10,000. Profit potential, $50,000 to $70,000 annually. Why it works. Remote work is on the rise, and even small towns have digital nomads looking for a cozy workspace. Bonus idea, subscription convenience boxes. Offer curated monthly boxes with local snacks, crafts, or niche items. Ship them locally and nationally, tapping into the subscription craze. Startup costs $3,000 to $7,000. Profit potential, $50,000 annually. Why it works. Subscription services have recurring revenue, and customers love personalized deliveries. Thanks for tuning in to Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.